first we discuss what we already taught in teaching lecture 1 of vector differential calculus. Let me tell. Please mute your mic. Dev 19EC004. Please mute your mic. Thank you. Okay, what we have already discussed in last lecture. Dear student, you can write in chat box also.
So the property is addition, multiplication, and dot and cross product.
Yes, good.
Vectors.
So
Sir, until cross product.
yes, until cross product. So we have already discussed about the what is vector, what is scalar, what is the addition of two vector, subtraction of two vector, multiplication of two vector. Okay. Then we go for three types of multiplication: scalar multiplication, then dot product, cross product. Okay. We already discussed all these topics. Okay. So we go further. Okay. Next definition is position vector. What do you mean by position vector? Position vector means let O be an origin and P be any point, then OP vector OP is called position vector of P with respect to origin O. It is denoted by R bar. This is the very important things. The position vector is denoted by R bar. Okay. So let me discuss. Let O means 0, 0, 0 origin and P x1, y1, z1 be any point as shown in figure. Okay, you can see here. This is the O. O has the component 0, 0, 0. P has component x1, y1, z1. So this is our position vector. Okay, OP is our position vector. How it defined mathematically? So OP is equal to R bar is equal to x1, y1, z1 means equal to x1i plus y1z plus z1k. How it comes? You can also find the as per last lecture OP. That means OP means what we have P vector P bar minus vector O. Okay. So we get this one. That means x1 minus 0i plus y1 minus 0j plus z1 minus 0k. So we get x1i plus y1j plus z1k as a position vector. This is the fundamental concepts of position vector and fundamental formula for position vector. Okay, whenever you talk about R bar position vector, you have to select as xi plus yj plus zk or as per the given data. Okay. Next definition is tangent vector or velocity vector. It is also known as velocity vector. You already know about this because this definition was also discussed in 11, 12. Okay. So what is the tangent vector or velocity vector? If a particle moves along the position vector r bar, then the tangent vector or velocity vector of a particle at any point is defined as T bar or V bar. These both are the denote part of tangent vector. How we can denote it as T bar or V bar, velocity for V bar and tangent vector for T bar. So it is the first derivative of position vector. First derivative of position vector means rate of change of position. Okay, you can also say that rate of change of position. That means dr bar by dt. Okay. Now, next definition is normal vector or acceleration vector. Okay, so normal vector means 2 times differentiation of position vector. That means if a particle moves along the position vector r bar, then the normal vector or acceleration vector of a particle at any point is defined as normal vector denote as n bar and acceleration vector is denote as a bar. So n bar or a bar equal to d square r bar by dt square. Okay, this is the mathematical formula for normal vector or acceleration vector. Okay, you can find acceleration and normal from this formula. Okay, now we go for the component of velocity vector. Sometimes it is very complex form of velocity, so we go through the component of that. So the component of a velocity vector at any time t in the direction v bar is defined as v bar t equal to v bar dot b cap. What is b cap? B cap means unit vector. So b bar divided by modulus of v bar as per the last lecture. Okay, we already discussed about it. So v bar dot b bar divided by v bar modulus. Okay. So for component of velocity vector, you have a direction v bar. Okay. Otherwise, you cannot talk about the component of a velocity vector because without direction you cannot find it. Okay. So here already given that v bar. So component of velocity vector is defined as v bar dot v bar divided by modulus of v bar. Now, what about the component of acceleration vector? It is same as the velocity vector. Okay, the component of acceleration vector at any time t in the direction v bar is defined as a t bar. This is the symbol for component. Okay, a t bar equal to a bar. A bar means acceleration vector multiply by b cap. B cap means unit vector. So b bar divided by modulus of b bar. This is the formula for component of a acceleration vector. Okay. Any doubt up to here? Anybody?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So we go for the example of the fundamental concepts. Means how we can find the tangent vector or velocity vector or normal vector or acceleration vector or component of velocity vector and component of the acceleration vector. We discuss about it. So here you can see that we have one example. Find the tangent vector and normal vector at t is equal to 0 along the curves x is equal to t cos t, y is equal to t sin t and z is equal to 4t. Here you have no r bar. आर बार दिया गया है, यहाँ पे नहीं दिया गया है, लेकिन उसको कंपोनेंट में दिया गया है. दैट मींस उसका x कंपोनेंट है 3 cos t, y कंपोनेंट इज 3 sin t and z कंपोनेंट इज 4t. So you have to find r bar first. So we are given the curves. What is the solution? We start with the given data. So x is equal to 3 cos t, y is equal to 3 sin t and z is equal to 4t. It is given. So we have to first find r bar. So r bar be the position vector along the curves. We consider that as r bar as position vector. So r bar is equal to x comma y comma z. That means xi plus yj plus zk. I already discussed this part. Okay, xi plus yj plus zk. Okay, so x component is 3 cos t, y component is 3 sin t and z component is 4t. So our r bar becomes 3 cos t I cap plus 3 sin t j cap plus 4t k cap. Okay, so after this r bar you can find the tangent vector and normal vector. Without r bar you cannot find, because tangent vector means first derivative of position vector and normal vector means second derivative of 2 times differentiation of position vector. Okay, so now we can differentiate it. So therefore the tangent vector is given by, this is the definition of tangent vector, t bar is equal to dr bar by dt is equal to, now differentiate this r bar. So what we get? 3 as constant cos t. What is the differentiation of cos t?
Minus sign.
Minus sin t. So we put here minus sin t. 3 as it is. What is the differentiation of sin t?
Cos t.
Cos t. So 3 cos t j plus what is the differentiation of 4t? That means 4 is as it is and
4.
t means differentiation of t is 1. So we get the t bar. But this is a general tangent. Means here you have not specified any point. So this is the general tangent vector of this position vector. Okay. So now we specify at t is equal to 0. We want to find at t is equal to 0 at some point. That means t bar at t is equal to 0 means at t is equal to 0 point. Substitute t is equal to 0 in general t bar. So we get minus 3 sin 0 I cap plus 3 cos 0 j cap plus 4 k. So what is the value of sin 0?
0.
Sine 0
Zero.
means 0. That means 0
Zero.
into I. What is the value of cos 0?
1.
1.
1. So here we substitute it. That means we get 3 into 1j plus 4k. This is the tangent vector at t is
Tangent
equal to
vector.
0. Okay. So first part we completed. Understand? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Then we go for normal vector. So how we can find normal vector? By definition, it is the 2 times differentiation of position vector. Okay. So first differentiation we already find that dr bar by dt is equal to this one. Now differentiate again this. So we get the normal vector is given by n bar is equal to d square r bar by dt square. It is nothing but derivative of dr bar by dt. Hello, any problem? Otherwise, please move your mind. Okay, thank you. D by dt of we already have dr bar by dt. So substitute here minus 3 sin t I plus 3 cos t j plus 4k. So I substitute here and now differentiate 1 times. That means minus 3 sin derivative of sin means cos. Derivative of cos means minus sin and derivative of 4 means it is constant. So 0 into k. So we get minus 3 cos t I minus 3 sin t j, okay, plus 0 means you have no need to write. Okay. So n bar is equal to this one. Up, this is the general normal form. Okay. Now we want to find at t is equal to 0. So substitute t is equal to 0 in this form. So we get n bar at t is equal to 0 equal to minus 3 cos 0 I minus 3 sin 0 j equal to, now cos 0 means 1 and sin 0 means 0. This is 0. So we don't write it. So minus 3 I. This is the normal vector at t is equal to 0 and this is the tangent vector at t is equal to 0 and we have completed it. Okay, find the tangent vector and normal vector at t is equal to 0. We done it. Okay, any doubt in this example? Anybody?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, now we go for second example, similar kind of. If a particle moves along the curves x is equal to t square, y is equal to t minus 1, z is equal to 3, then find the unit tangent vector and unit normal vector at t is equal to 3. Now find each change at t is equal to 3 and we want to find the unit tangent vector and unit normal vector. So we again start with what we find first?
R bar.
R bar, that is the position vector. Okay, so here given data is x component is t square, y component is t minus 1, z component is 3. So from that we find position vector, that means R bar with the position vector along the curves. So R bar equal to xyz xi plus yj plus zk. So substitute x is equal to t square, y is equal to t minus 1 and z is equal to 3. So we get R bar equal to t square I plus t minus 1 j plus 3 k. Now we want to find the tangent vector. So what is the definition of tangent vector?
Differentiating R
One
with
time
respect to
differentiation of
Yes, one time differentiation of R bar.
position
Good.
vector.
Okay, position vector. So we first find tangent vector because without tangent vector we cannot find the unit tangent vector. Okay, because unit vector means vector divided by its modulus.
modulus.
हमारे पास वेक्टर ही नहीं है तब तक हम यूनिट के बारे में बातचीत नहीं कर सकते. तो फर्स्ट वी वांट टू फाइंड टी बार. सो व्हाट इज अवर टी बार? तो टी बार इक्वल टू dr bar by dt. नाउ डिफरेंशिएट इट. So derivative of t square means
2t.
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 T minus 1 is derivative of t minus 1. 1 minus 0, that means 1, and derivative of 3 means 0. So we get 2ti plus j. Now if you find the modulus of this, then there is t present. Okay, t is already there, so we have no modulus. Okay, so first we substitute t is equal to 3, means अगर आप मॉड्यूलस फाइंड करेंगे t बार का तो आपको t एज इट इज रहेगा. ओके, तो यू हैव टू ऑप्शन. आप सीधा भी मॉड्यूलस फाइंड करके उसको डिवाइड कर सकते हो, या फिर आप पहले वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करो उसके बाद उसका मॉड्यूलस फाइंड करो. बोथ आर सेम, तो दोनों का आंसर सेम ही मिलेगा. आप कोई भी रास्ते से जा सकते हो. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, so here I go with first substituting t is equal to 3. So t is equal to 3, the tangent vector is t bar at t is equal to 3 equal to 2 into 3 I plus j. So we get 6I plus j. Any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now what we want to do, modulus of this one. So okay, first we have find normal vector, but you can see here. Okay, the unit tangent vector is given by t cap. How we can write it? Okay, we can t cap. We can write as t cap. T cap is equal to t bar divided by modulus of t bar. What is our t bar? T bar क्या था हमारा? 6i plus j. Okay, तो यहाँ पे मैंने सब्स्टिट्यूट किया 6i plus j, and what is the modulus of that? Or square root of 6 square plus 1 square. That means it gives 36 plus 1, 37, square root of 37. So this is our unit tangent vector. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, we can find unit normal vector. So we start with n bar equal to, what is n bar? 2 times differentiation of position vector. So d square r bar by dt square, d by dt, dr bar by dt. So d by dt of 2t I plus j. This is tangent. Okay, so we already done it. 2t I plus j. Okay, so यहाँ पे हम सीधा सब्स्टिट्यूट करके उसका डिफरेंशिएशन फाइंड करेंगे. सो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 2t मींस 2 and derivative of 1 means 0. So we have already 2i. Okay, now substitute t is equal to 3 in n bar. So n bar at t is equal to 3 equal to 2i. It does not change. Why? Because there is no t. So here you put anything, t is equal to 100, then the answer will be same. Okay, because यहाँ पे t ही नहीं है तो t की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करने से कोई चेंज ही नहीं होगा. Okay, so this is the 2i. Now unit vector, unit normal vector. So and the unit normal vector is given by n cap equal to n bar by modulus of n bar. Now what is our n bar? N bar is 2i. You can see here 2i. Now 2i divided by square root of 2 square plus 0 plus 0. Okay, so here we get 2i divided by square root of 4, and square root of 4 is nothing but 2. So 2 will be cancelled out and we get I. Okay, so our unit tangent vector is 6i plus j divided by square root 37, and unit normal vector is I. Okay, as per the given data. Any doubt in this example?
No, sir.
Okay.
No.
Now you can find more example. Okay. Now you take one pen and notebook or pencil or notebook and try for it. First example. Okay. Then I will discuss. लेके बैठे हो या फिर खड़ा होके लेना पड़ेगा?
नहीं सर है.
Okay,
लेके
thank
बैठे
you.
हैं sir.
Thank you, thank you. Then try for it. First example, if r bar equal to sin t I plus cos t j plus t k, then find d square r bar by dt square. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and let me know what is the answer.
Sir,
Yes.
minus sin t I cap and minus cos t j cap.
But this is the second derivative of r bar, na?
Yes, sir. Second
But
derivative of r.
where you missed one thing, here you want to find the modulus of that one.
Yes, sir. Modulus.
Oh, okay, modulus. Yes, yes.
Okay, taking modulus.
Sin sin t I hat plus cos t j hat.
What is it? Second derivative of r
Sin.
bar.
Yes, sir.
I
With
think you
modulus.
with modulus में I j k कहाँ से आएगा बेटा? It is only square root of first component square
The
plus second.
modulus is
The
1.
one.
One.
The one.
Okay, good.
One.
Good. I
One.
got it. Okay, I got it. Now, जो भी स्टूडेंट नहीं कर पाए उसके लिए यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ. You can see also. Okay. Here, if r bar equal to sin t I plus cos t plus t k, then find d square r bar by dt square. Okay, this is our statement. Okay. Now we start with r bar or position vector. Now find first derivative of that. That means it gives cos t I minus sin t j plus k. And second derivative is d square r bar by dt square equal to minus cos derivative होगा minus sin minus cos j plus 0. So here we want to find the modulus of that second derivative. So square root of minus sin t square plus minus cos t whole square. So we get square root of sin square t plus cos square t. It is nothing but 1. Done? Any problem?
No,
Any
sir.
student? Okay? Okay, तो ये कर पाएंगे ना आप लोग?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I there are
Yes,
infinite many examples from this. If you change r bar, then you get another answer. Okay, for example, I give r bar equal to t square I plus tj plus k. So you can find also modulus of d square r bar by dt square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because if you change r bar, then your example will be changed. Okay, but you have to do same thing, first derivative, second derivative, and taking modulus. Okay, now go for second example. Try for second example. Find a unit tangent vector and unit normal vector at time t is equal to move along the curve xt is equal to t square minus 1, yt is equal to 4t minus 3, zt is equal to 2t square minus 60. Now I will ask you, okay, मैं कोई भी नंबर बोलूंगा और उसको आंसर देना है, तो ट्राई फॉर इट. ओके एवरीबॉडी, यू हैव टू एक्टिव इन ऑनलाइन क्लास आल्सो. ओके, मैं किसी का भी नंबर बोलूंगा उसी को आंसर देना है. थोड़ा ध्यान के ट्राई करो, अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो आई विल एक्सप्लेन, बट ट्राई करना जरूरी है, बिकॉज विदाउट ट्राई मैथ्स कैन नॉट बी हैंडल, है ना. कि आप मैथ्स को हैंडल नहीं कर सकते ट्राई किए बिना. Try for it. We already done similar kind of example. Okay, unit tangent vector and unit normal vector.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. But still,
Wait, sir. Yes, sir.
wait for 2-3 minutes because other students are doing it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
My voice is audible
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
and my PPT is
सर
visible or not?
आंसर
Yes,
एक बार
sir.
चेक कर
Yes.
सकते हैं सर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I will explain you about this example. Full example. Okay,
Done,
don't
sir.
worry. Okay, done? हो गया सबका?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
अब मुझे वो देखना पड़ेगा कि कौन कौन प्रेजेंट है.
Yes,
One
sir.
minute. Okay, 72 number. Nishan, tell me first step.
So first we have to write I bar,
Yes,
which is t square minus 1 I cap
yes,
plus 4t minus 3 j cap
yes.
plus 2t square minus 6t k cap.
Good. Thank you, Nishan. Okay. EC071, Lakshmi Narayan.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me second step.
Okay, sir. After writing the position vector, we need to differentiate it one time to get the tangent vector.
Yes. Good. On what
So-
is it? What do you get?
After differentiating, we get 2t I cap plus 4 j cap plus 4t minus 6 k cap.
Okay. Let me verify it. Okay. You can see here. Done.
Yes.
So
Sir,
what we
may I
get?
tell?
Yes. Vasant.
Sir, yes, 77, sir. Unit tangent vector at t is equal to 2. I get, sir, 2/3 I cap plus 2/3 j cap plus 1/3 k cap. And unit
One
normal vector, sir.
1 minute. We go with step by step. Okay. So you have to only telling whatever we call. Okay. You have to verify it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we go with step by step, so all the students can understand.
Okay,
So,
sir.
then we find t bar as 2ti plus 4j plus 4t minus 6k. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Lakshmi यही मिला था ना?
Yes, sir. यही मिला
Yes, sir.
same है.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Then 79 number. Kshitiz. Number 8. Kshitiz is there. EC079.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me next step.
So now
What
we
we
have
do?
to double differentiate it to find a unit tangent vector.
But we have to go with point, na?
Yes,
Left
yes.
it. Yes. So t bar at t is equal to 2 means 2 into 2, that means 4.
Yeah.
4 into j plus 2 into k. Now we go for
K.
t cap. Okay.
T
So
cap.
t cap
Yes.
is t cap equal to t bar by modulus of t bar. It gives
Yes, sir.
2ti plus 4j plus 4t minus 6k divided by square root 4t square plus. Here we done second type. Okay. I already discussed there are two types. Please mute your mic. Please. I already discussed we have two parts. First we go with t bar as with t. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And,
Yes, sir.
and second way is you have to find t at t is equal to 2 and find the normal, unit. Okay. Here
Yes,
we
sir.
go with two types, both the types. That means t cap is equal to t bar by modulus of t bar. That means 2ti plus 4j plus 4t minus 6k square root of 40 square plus 16 plus 40 minus 6 square. And then this is your t cap in general. Okay. Now, if you find that t is equal to 2, then you get this answer. Okay, 4i plus 4j plus 2k divided by 6. Understand? But,
Yes, sir.
but this process is very lengthy. You can see here. But if you go with t bar at t is equal to 2, it will be simple. Am I right?
Yes, sir. वो लेंदी जा रहा है मेरा, पर आंसर आ गया, पर लेंदी है बहुत.
हाँ, वो थोड़ा लेंदी, आपका टाइम वेस्ट ज्यादा हो जाएगा. Okay, so you can select your own way. Okay, next normal vector. Next step is our normal vector. What is that? N bar is equal to d square r bar by dt square. That means 2 times differentiation of position vector. This is 2i plus 0j plus 4k. We get 2i plus 4k, and n bar at t is equal to 2 will not change due to there is no any t in n bar. So 2i plus 4k. Now we get n cap. N cap means unit normal vector.
Unit of n.
Yes, 2i plus 4k divided by square root of 4 plus 16. You get 2i plus 4k divided by square root of 20. And n cap at t is equal to 2 means I plus 2k divided by square root 5. Because here 2 will be common and 2 is cancelled out. Done? Because your 4
Yes, sir.
multiplied by, here you have 4 multiplied by 5. So 4 square root of 4 is 2. 2 will be cancelled out and square root 5 is there. Okay, any doubt in this example? Any student?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
सबको यही आंसर मिला या चेंज हो रहा है?
Wait, sir. Let me see.
यही मिला है.
यही है
यही है सर.
You can verify also. Okay. आप यहाँ पे verify
Okay.
कर सकते हैं. Okay. Can you go
Sir.
for next example? Yes.
Sir,
yes.
sir, I
Yes.
want to ask unit tangent vector यही आएगा, ये तो नहीं आएगा ना?
क्यों?
यूनिट टेंजेंट वेक्टर के लिए जो यूनिट वेक्टर टी का निकालेंगे वो तो फिर सर अलग आएगा, और यूनिट नॉर्मल वेक्टर भी स्टार्टिंग में हमने आर बार जो भी हमें दे रखा था उससे हमने आगे ds अपॉन dt निकाला.
dr by
ds अपॉन
dt.
dt, हाँ मतलब जो वो मैंने अपने वेरिएबल ले लिए, फिर टी कैप निकाला, टी कैप फिर टी कैप एट 2 निकाला, उसके बाद dt कैप अपॉन dt निकाला, फिर dt कैप अपॉन ds और dx जो भी है वो निकाला. उसके बाद जब
sorry dt cap क्यों फाइंड करो? dt cap is not a mathematically true because cap is only used for unit tangent vector.
yes sir, but we can use it in differentiation, sir. It is possible, sir. I will send you my answer.
Okay, you can send me your answer, but t cap is a value you can see here. Okay, you cannot differentiate it because it gives always 0.
Okay, sir.
Understand?
Okay, sir.
Okay, understand my point?
Yes, sir. So still I'm having some doubt. I will send my answer. So sir, you will check it.
Okay. You can also discuss with me by call also. Okay, no problem. You can call me.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now we go for third example. Try for third example. If a particle moves along the curves x is equal to dq plus 1, y is equal to t square, and z is equal to 2t plus 5, then find the components of its velocity and acceleration at time t is equal to 1 in the direction 2y plus 3j plus 6k. Okay, here we want to find the components of velocity and acceleration. So step number 1 is you have to find r bar, that means position vector. Then what is the component of its velocity? You can see here. Yes, velocity components of velocity is you have to multiply with direction. That means you have v bar. That means velocity. आपके पास पहले velocity तो होना ही चाहिए. Then you can multiply with direction. Okay, तो सबसे पहले हम find करेंगे velocity and उसके बाद हम find करेंगे acceleration and then we multiply with direction in both the terms, that means velocity as well as acceleration. Okay, you can try for it. Okay, we have no more time, so I discussed directly. Okay, you can see here, student, you can see here. Okay, a particle moves along the curves xt is equal to dq plus 1, yt is equal to t square, zt is equal to 2t plus 5. Is it visible?
Done,
Yes,
sir.
it
Yes,
is.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is our r bar here? So r bar is equal to dq plus 1i plus t square j plus 2t plus 5k. Okay, now we want to find the velocity. Velocity means again differentiation, first differentiation of position vector. So dr bar by dt, it gives 3t square I plus 2t j plus 2k. Now we want to find at t is equal to 1. Okay, we have special point. So v bar at t is equal to 1 is 3i plus 2j plus 2k. Everybody can find it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is your v bar. Now we go for acceleration. Acceleration means 2 times differentiation of
Double
position vector. Okay, that means you can here t square, the derivative of t square is 2t. So 3 into 2, 6t I plus 2t means 1, that means 2, and derivative of 2 will be 0. So we get a bar equal to 6ti plus 2j. Now a bar at t is equal to 1 means 6i plus 2j. Okay, so we have velocity and acceleration both. So now we can go for the components of that. So for components of that, we have one direction 2y plus 3j plus 6k. Here you can see that the velocity component means v bar divided by modulus of v bar. You have to multiply with v bar divided by modulus of v bar. So 1 minute. Here. I cannot move it. Yes. Okay. Now b bar means 2y plus 3j plus 6k, and b cap means unit vector. So we will convert it into unit vector. So b bar divided by modulus of b bar. So 2y plus 3j plus 6k divided by 7. Now we have to multiply v bar. This is your v bar, and with b cap. So what is our velocity component? Which component of velocity in b bar is vt bar equal to v bar into b cap. So 3i plus 2j plus 2k into 2i plus 3j plus 6k divided by 7. So here you have to multiplication. Okay, so यहाँ पे आपको multiplication करना है. तो ये कौन सा multiplication होगा? Anybody can?
Dot product.
Yes, dot product.
Dot
We are using dot product. That means component wise. 3 into 2, that means 6. I into I 1. 2 into 3, 6. J into J 1. 2 into 6, 12. K into K 1. And divide by 7 is that. So this is the 24 by 7. Any problem? Velocity component.
सर
Yes.
ये बी बार कहाँ से आया?
B bar आपको already statement में दिया है. Direction.
अच्छा, ओके
It is direction. Okay.
ओके.
Done. Any problem?
No.
No. Then we go for next. What is our next component of acceleration? Acceleration. So we have a bar already. We have a bar, and what is it? 6ti plus 2j, and we substitute t is equal to 1. Then we get 6i plus 2j. So this is our a bar. So I replace here 6i plus 2j into b cap. B cap is our direction and a unit direction. That means 2i plus 3j plus 6k divided by 7. So 6 into 2 12, I into I 1, 2 into 3 6, j into j 1, and here there is no k component. So 0 into 6 again 0. So we get 12 plus 6 18 divided by say 1. Okay, any confusion in this example?
No, sir.
Okay,
Sir?
someone? Yes.
सर एक कंपोनेंट एग्जैक्टली क्या है, मतलब उसका यूज का डेफिनेशन?
हाँ, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके पास कोई कॉम्प्लेक्स वर्जन है, जैसे आप जो भी वेलोसिटी फाइंड कर रहे हैं उसमें बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट फॉर्म है, तो यू कैन गो विद x कंपोनेंट, y कंपोनेंट, x z कंपोनेंट. ओके.
यस सर.
Okay, so for example you have to find the velocity in 3 dimension. Okay, but 3 dimension में वो अगर बहुत ही complex form है, तो आप उसको क्या करेंगे, पहले x component find करो, उसका y component find करो, z component find करो, और उसका जो velocity होगा वो square root of vx square plus vy square plus vz square हो जाएगा. Understand? It is simple.
यस सर.
Then understand? Are you getting your point?
यस सर, थैंक यू.
ओके, तो यहाँ पे किसी ने मुझे पूछा था कि सर ये बी बार कहाँ से आता है. यार यू कैन सी हियर, दिस इज योर डायरेक्शन, दिस इज योर बी बार.
ओके.
इट इज मेंशन इन योर स्टेटमेंट. क्योंकि विदाउट डायरेक्शन यू कैन नॉट टॉक अबाउट द कंपोनेंट.
ओके.
ओके, एनी डाउट इन टुडेज लेक्चर?
नो सर.
नो सर. सर एक बार थोड़ा स्क्रॉल करो नीचे.
1 minute. हाँ. Which one? This one?
वो नीचे. हाँ.
Okay. Then velocity component है, acceleration component?
नहीं, velocity वाला.
Okay. What is the problem?
Nothing. I just want to take a screenshot. That's why.
Okay, no problem. I will share you. Whole video will be shared with you. Okay.
Fine, sir. Thank you, sir.
So how can I share my answer to you, sir?